Look at this. I found like a little cave. Uh, it's just this little place in here that's kind of melted away. Here's the top. There's some lakes down there that make me thirsty. And I'm gonna start digging in the snow. All right. This bad boy is now full of snow. I put some electrolyte tablets up at the top. You can see them there. But I need water now. There's a little bit at the bottom. But you need water to make it melt and to have the tablets dissolve. They don't like to dissolve in the cold. But here's where I dug from. Just dug right up in there. It was just going whoop, 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 super easy. Nice and clean snow in there. And just shoving it in. It was easy peasy. Didn't have to touch it with my hands or anything. Oh man, I can't wait to get water in this thing. And by the way, sitting in here in this little cold, surrounded by the snow, cooling me down. It's like air conditioning. I don't think I want to leave, but I got to make some trail miles because I do a full view. Look at that. Just here's my little snow thing right over the top. This covers the trail. This is a great little spot. Oh, I love me some snowbank. This has been like super slushy. And I threw, I had some noon tablets, but I finished my tri-berry, the electrolyte one, and I had some that are like vitamin one too. And they were like, I don't know, lemon lime or citrus of some kind. And I threw 2 of those in there. And I'm just having like the greatest slushy, and it's really cooling me down. Oh my gosh, it's so yummy. It's kind of like a miracle on the trail, you know? A slushy in the heat on the trail. And by the way, the shade and these trees in this forest are nice. This is the Plumas, by the way, Plumas National Forest. Look at this. I just threw some fresh spring water, filtered it into this, put in 2 more of the citrus noon tablets. I like vitamins. Oh my gosh. Snow's not gonna mess. Ice snow's not gonna last much longer, but I'm gonna enjoy it while I can. A little bit of an ice cream headache. Ow. Ow. That's a satisfying ice cream headache. Oh, and I dipped my hat in the water. That cooled me down too. Smart move. A lot of mosquitoes back there at that spring though. I think they're around here. I gotta keep moving.